If you're looking for a way to make money online, TikTok might be the answer. This app is hugely popular with teens and has generated billions of dollars in revenue. If you want to make money with TikTok but don't know where to start, this video will help. We'll go through everything so that you are in a position to make money online by the end of the video. Step 1. Create your brand. What is your brand's objective? Who are you and who are your target audience? This implies you should have a plan in place for the type of videos you'll post on TikTok. Will your films be amusing and witty, or do you want them to be romantic, insane, and alternative in nature? What do you want people to think of you? Step 2. Post a video that people actually want to watch. Whether you're a business or an individual, social media platforms are all alike. You're only as good as your content on social media, whether it's on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Being a social influencer on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok demands dedication and effort. Your material must be current, engaging, creative, and up. Most importantly, make more of what works. Step 3. Followers. This is undoubtedly the most crucial stage, which forms from properly completing steps 1 and 2. Before you can really profit from your account, you'll need tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of followers. It will be necessary for you to have tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of followers before you may make money off your account. Ways to make money on TikTok. 1. Growing accounts, then sell them. This most popular method for generating money on TikTok is to build an account and then sell it. In the e-commerce or product sector, this is becoming increasingly popular. You'll use the same content creation strategy as Instagram. Pick a topic and create amusing material, ideally stuff that goes viral in order to attract the person who would be your ideal customer. There are now individuals in this industry that have established TikTok profiles around a certain topic. It's usually a niche subject and they won't have anything to sell, but they'll reach out to businesses in this sector and sell their TikTok profile to them, and people are genuinely making money this way. The good news for product businesses is that once they have control of that account, selling items is really simple. TikTok Live is another approach to sell items. They're launching items while live streaming and they're holding auctions. There's also a link in your bio where you may always direct your followers to buy your goods. So, if you're a TikTok lover and want to build a following around a certain subject and create that community around a certain subject, by all means go for it. Then contact those businesses who would love to have access to those followers and sell them your account. 2. Donations. The second way to make money on TikTok is to go live and accept donations from spectators, just as you can on other platforms. You can use your TikTok profile to acquire coins. 100 coins will cost around $1.40, which you may later exchange for virtual goods. You can then send coins to a favorite creator as tokens of thanks for all their hard work in making the material they produce. The creator transforms the coins into diamonds, and those diamonds can be exchanged for cash via PayPal. On the Chinese version of TikTok, known as Douyin, there is a similar next-level functionality. When creators are live, they can actually link a shopping cart to a product they offer. In essence, you can conduct a live broadcast and sell your stuff in real time. Users can then purchase your items through the shopping cart function while you're live. 3. Manage influencer campaigns. Another way to earn money on TikTok is to run influencer campaigns. There are already influencer agencies that cater to Instagram influencers. That isn't a new concept. Influencer agencies exist to serve Instagram influencers right now. This is a strategy that applies to both TikTok and Instagram. You could be the link between a creator on TikTok and a company wanting to collaborate with that influencer. You can charge a service fee to maintain campaigns like that, from drafting the agreement, monitoring both parties, ensuring that the deliverables are completed, simply by being a coordinator. TikTok as a platform is clever. They have already established an influencer network within the company. So, if I'm a big business and want to reach out to TikTok and ask, "Hey, what influencers should I work with?" I can do that. Note that the only problem is that they'll have to pay a cut to TikTok for brokering the deal. 4. TikTok ads. The fourth method to earn money on TikTok is by utilizing their advertising platform. You may Google right now TikTok ads and get access to their ad platform, just like you would with Facebook and Instagram advertisements. If you've ever run sponsored traffic before, it's fairly self-evident. If your market is on TikTok, it may be worth creating some advertising, investing in testing there, and seeing what happens. 5. Management servicing. Some TikTok users have millions of followers, and it's not unusual for them to gain a large following overnight. If you have experience creating or managing content, sales and customer support services might be able to assist them with their content strategy, creative strategy, and perhaps receiving offers and deals. So, if you have prior experience in production or storytelling, you may apply that to TikTok creators' management services. 6. Consulting. If you want to be a TikTok pro and maybe you fully comprehend how to turn an amateur video with 100 likes into something that can get 1 million, you may simply provide consulting services. This is a fantastic approach to put your TikTok knowledge to good use and help individuals aspiring to be TikTok famous or creators by assisting them with their video production. Of course, you must have the background and experience to offer this as a service. But once you've arrived, people will pay you for your expertise and mind on their accounts. You may negotiate a percentage or cut of the offer if you assist them in obtaining any deals or influencer agreements. You can even negotiate a percentage or a cut of the deal simply because you are their consultant and have aided them going viral on TikTok. TikTok is powerful. TikTok is similar to YouTube in that it allows you to upload a video right now, but the algorithm may pick it up months later and push it into the feed of those who would enjoy it. The fact that your videos don't go away is powerful for lots of reasons. It can drive a lot of traffic and eyes to you months after the fact because they do not disappear. With just a few followers, some people's TikTok videos have received millions of views. It's because the algorithm is recognizing your video and pushing it out. Again, there's a lot of interest without a lot of information. As a result, the algorithm is pushing it out to individuals who it thinks will be receptive to it. There are not many social platforms promoting accounts as aggressively as TikTok and its algorithm does. TikTokers who have more than 100,000 followers may earn from $200 to $5,000 a month. TikTok is all about 15-second videos that you can make and share. The top 10 most popular videos on TikTok in 2020 will earn more than $73,000 for each post. The most profitable actress on Instagram is Addison Rae Easterling, who earned an estimated $5 million in 1 year as a result of her 54.1 million followers. The more followers you have on TikTok, the more money you may make. The better your chances of becoming a high earner are, the larger and more active your followers are. It takes time, consistency, and hard effort to develop an audience on TikTok. Was this useful? If so, give us a like below, and if you're on TikTok, let us know your TikTok username in the comments below.